Struggling with dry, damaged hair that just won't cooperate? Imagine a shampoo that not only repairs damage but also shields your hair from future harm, leaving it soft, shiny, and manageable. That's exactly what TÍO NACHO's Deep Repair Shampoo promises, with its unique blend of 100% organic aloe vera and royal jelly working together to restore your hair's natural beauty. I was skeptical at first. After years of dealing with thinning hair, I wasn't expecting much from a shampoo. But after trying TÍO NACHO's formula, everything changed. Within just a few months, I noticed new growth and a healthier shine. What's more, this shampoo fights frizz and tames dryness without harsh chemicals, no parabens, no silicones, no salts. It feels gentle, yet effective, making my hair easier to style and care for, even on my busiest days. What sets this shampoo apart is its natural ingredients. Royal jelly contains royal actin, a compound that strengthens and nourishes hair from the inside out. Combined with aloe vera's moisturizing and soothing properties, the formula seals hair ends and protects against breakage. It's a full repair system designed for all hair types, especially those prone to damage and loss. If you're ready to give your hair the care it deserves, TÍO NACHO's Deep Repair Shampoo is worth a look. It's part of a complete line featuring natural ingredients like coconut and Mexican herbs that hydrate, volumize, and revitalize. Whether you want thicker hair or simply want to protect what you have, this brand offers a natural solution that delivers real results. Try it when you're ready to transform your hair routine with a product that respects your hair's health and beauty. The Deep Repair Shampoo isn't just a shampoo, it's a commitment to stronger, shinier hair that feels as good as it looks.